In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Add to Cart button in Figma. Crafting an effective Add to Cart button is a fundamental skill in UI/UX design, crucial for any e-commerce or product-focused interface. A well-designed button not only looks appealing, but also guides users smoothly through their purchasing journey. We'll walk through how to build one step by step in Figma, focusing on clarity and visual impact. Our first step is to incorporate the main visual element, the cart icon. Navigate to your Figma canvas and click on the Plugins menu at the top. From the drop-down, select Icontify. This powerful plugin provides access to a vast library of icons, allowing you to easily find what you need without leaving Figma. Once Icontify opens, use the search bar to look for a cart icon. You'll see many styles, so choose one that best fits your design aesthetic, whether it's outlined, filled, or more stylized. Once selected, click to add it directly to your canvas. This icon will instantly communicate the button's function. Next, we need to add the text for our button, clearly indicating the user's action. Using Figma's text tool, click on your canvas and type "Buy." While "Buy" is concise and highly effective, you might also consider "Add to Cart" or "Shop Now," depending on your specific layout and context. After typing your text, take a moment to adjust its font, size, and color. Ensure it's easily readable and complements your chosen cart icon. Position it carefully near the icon, anticipating that both elements will soon be grouped within a background shape. Maintain good contrast between your text and the eventual button background for optimal readability. Now, let's create the visual foundation for our button by adding a rectangle to your canvas. This rectangle will serve as the background shape, encompassing both your icon and text. Select the newly added rectangle and direct your attention to the Design panel on the right. Here you'll locate the corner radius property. Adjusting this value will round the corners of your rectangle. A moderate corner radius, typically between 8 to 12 pixels, creates a softer, more modern, and inviting feel than sharp corners, enhancing user experience. Feel free to experiment to find the perfect curve for your design. To further enhance the button's visual appeal, we'll apply a color gradient to our rectangle. In the Fill section of the Design panel, instead of a solid color, opt for the Linear Gradient choice. This enables you to smoothly blend two or more colors across the shape, adding depth and a contemporary look that can make your button truly stand out. You'll then customize the specific colors within this gradient. Consider using your brand's colors or a palette that complements your overall design theme. Select a starting and an ending color that transition harmoniously. For instance, a subtle shift from a lighter blue to a darker blue, or a more vibrant transition for a bolder statement. Finally, we'll make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is cohesive and professional. This involves precisely resizing the rectangle to comfortably contain both your cart icon and the Buy text, ensuring adequate padding around them. Double-check that the icon and text are perfectly aligned within the button for a polished look. You might also want to fine-tune the gradient's direction or opacity, or make a final adjustment to the text color to guarantee maximum readability against the new gradient background.